How to bridge tokens from other blockchains to Shimmer EVM. Visit magicsea.finance and launch the app. Connect your wallet to magicsea. Click on the Bridge tab next to Swap. A new input field opens. The bridge to Shimmer EVM is powered by Layer 0, one of the biggest and most trusted bridges out there. You have to connect your wallet again, this time to the Layer 0 bridge. Now you are ready to bridge your tokens from all major networks to Shimmer EVM. By clicking up here, you can choose from which network you want to bridge from, be it Phantom, Optimism, Avalanche, Base, Arbitrum, BNB, or Ethereum. I want to bridge in Matic from Polygon. Next to the network, I have to choose the token. I choose Matic and click on Max to bridge all my Matic over. The field below shows where my token will be bridged to. I select the destination network, which is Shimmer EVM. The token stays Matic. Below, you can now add gas on destination, which allows you to add gas on the destination network if you don't have any on there. I don't need that because I already have Shimmer on Shimmer EVM, which is not only the network token but also the gas token at the same time. Below that, you can see how much of the tokens you'll receive, how much fees you have to pay, and your slippage tolerance. Since I need to pay some fees on the Polygon network also, I changed the amount of my tokens to 33, so I have some left over to pay the fees on Polygon. I now click on Transfer to send my Matic from Polygon to Shimmer EVM. MetaMask prompts me to switch the network because I have to confirm the transaction on the outgoing chain. My tokens are now being bridged. This takes some time since you go across networks. Up here, you can see the status of the transactions. According to this estimation, I need to wait about 20 minutes for my tokens to arrive. You can also see the transaction directly on Layer 0 and check the status. Back on magicsea, I switch back to Shimmer EVM and wait on the transaction to be completed. Finally, the transaction is complete. If I now switch to Swap, I can see Matic now in my wallet on Shimmer EVM. That was how to bridge your tokens to Shimmer EVM. Follow us on Twitter, check out our decks under magicsea.finance, and if you want to learn more, watch our other videos. See you soon.